Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Pad 2 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. Let's start with opening the settings. We'll begin with the customization. Here we have to, in this left section, scroll and find display and brightness. And here let's enter eye comfort and sleep. So let's tap. Let's ignore the bedtime mode because I'd like to share the information about the eye protection. Basically, simply tap on the switcher to activate it, and you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. It will be also much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. Here we've got two different options, so you can either use the smart option, which will adjust the screen color temperature based on the light conditions around you, or you can custom it. So simply tap on this option and you can see that here we've got the switcher. Thanks to which we can change the intensity of that feature. By going to the left we can make it cooler, by going to the right warmer. It's really orange right now, so just set it like you want to. Here we've got display effect, so you can keep the colors on. Of course they will be affected by the shield, or you can set it black and white and everything will be monochromatic. So it's up to you totally which display effect you prefer. You can also schedule that feature. Just tap on it, tap on the switcher, and you can turn it on specific time. Just choose it by swiping and turn it off at specific time too. Of course your device will apply the mode according to the schedule you've just set. Alright, so basically this is the whole customization, and if you want to have much faster access to it, simply unroll the top bar. We have to unroll it and find a specific icon. Let me focus. Let's go to the right, and to be honest, okay, it is right here. So all you have to do is to tap on it to turn it on. You can see that it will be applied with all of the customization you've made, and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.